Hi guys, today is day 22 of December, so we're gonna see what's in both of these. I think there's a train in this one, and let's see if I'm right. Almost, not really, but Look at this. It's Santa. Wait. Santa's coming to town is right here. Santa's coming to town. I thought that was just for show, but it's in the advent calendar. Good. We don't need scissors for the elf on the shelf one, so that's good news always. Okay, it's kind of bent, but you could just fix it. And we have Santa's coming to town. Santa's coming to town. So we're going to put that right here. We're going to put a Christmas tree, a stocking, and yeah, here's Santa's coming to town. You can read it. I can show you the box. And I'm going to put her by the Christmas tree, a stocking. I don't know. We'll figure out a way once. I think it's supposed to be vented. And in here, we're going to see what's in here. And we have scissors this time, so yeah. Don't need that bag anymore. Where's 2022? What's that? A boat? A boat. Okay, a boat. We get another, we have a boat right here. Everything's all around the city right now, but a boat, another boat. Easy build. Not too hard to build this boat. I can always use a lot of boats, but a boat. Another boat. You see, we already have a boat, but and another one. Why do we need another one? Really? We have enough boats. One boat's enough. But I guess we could have two boats. Two boats could be good. And yay. So I think this is how it goes, does it? Okay. Good to get the keyboardist pieces. So, this is so far how our boat is going so far. Have a few more things to put on it. And, okay, so I think this is a speedboat. So, we have ourselves a speedboat. I guess we're gonna put the speedboat over there. Okay, and we have this trim that's off the track. Don't worry, next video it'll all be cleaned up. And this elf scarf probably won't be found, but we'll find the scarf for one video. But bye.